Good morning. Jai Predictive. Myself Dr. Suketu Shasthri from Vapi, Happy Gujarat unit. I am practicing since 19-20 years and practicing regarding predictive method. What sir taught us, Dr. Prafullvijayakar taught us that how can we treat incurable diseases. So-called incurable diseases is very easy to treat as per the predictive method because it is a complete scientific and very authentic method to treat highly pathological ill-treated cases with very ease. So I am advising every student to join Predictive Homeopathy, which is very scientific method, which is very easy to understand. What sir made is very easy, so we can able to treat most difficult cases with very easy manner and with very precise prescription, with very precise result also. What we learn in predictive homeopathy is our horizon to treat incurable disease getting very vast. So I request all students to join predictive homeopathy and learn the most scientific way of learning and treating incurable diseases. Thank you.